We are a company with a playful Easter egg in our name, Popup Sofa, which literally translates to a sofa that pops up. Exactly. We're a creative venture born from the pain of moving sofas, started by 4 young people who were fed up with hauling bulky furniture. We all started with a compressor, and we've since pushed its possibilities to the limit. In just a few months, we've designed close to 30 sofa models, rolling them out like new ice cream flavors, and launched them into over 10 countries, quietly taking center stage in more than 500 living rooms. Our secret? Selling sofas in a flattened form. Yes, our core product, the pure foam compressed sofa, is all about adaptability. It leaves our factory as a compact, flat box that can easily slide into a car back seat, tuck into an elevator corner, or be carried upstairs without a hug. When you need it, it poofs open and expands into a proper sofa, its true form revealed only then. We believe furniture should not be a weight in your life. Whether you're a renter, a small space lover, or a home furnishing nomad who enjoys rearranging the living room on a whim, Popup Sofa is your lightweight teammate that never compromises on happiness. In short, we're earnestly pursuing a rather fun mission, turning the sofa from a headache-inducing large item into a delightful parcel. A lighter life can start with a seat that pops up on demand. Popup Sofa, proposing a life not held hostage by furniture.